Hello, and we just got our snake back today. And she's so cute.
She's gonna bite. That's okay. It doesn't hurt.
She got cuter. When I gave her to the store, she was like yeah. But when I got her back, suddenly I thought she was so cute. Can I hold her?
Mm-hmm. She's gonna be a nice calm snake. Oh, I love it when they curl their tail around.
I'm gonna put you back in the cage, okay?
Boy, she feels so good. I just love the soft
And we
smooth.
got a new cage for her. Can I put her in?
Yeah. It's a real cool looking albino snake.
There she goes.
Oh, let me clean her water. I was busy holding her.
She's a cute little. She's a very cute snake.
She's really cute.
Because I just got it back today. She had a little test and a little pinky, and you can see the poopy inside her though. She ate a little pinky and she's feeling good. Yeah. Okay, goodbye.